You possess a post or an advertisement similar to this one, and you wish to utilize numerous Facebook accounts that you currently own to like it. By commenting on this post, you can improve its engagement and increase customer attraction. I will introduce you to a method using my software. This tool helps me manage multiple Facebook accounts. To accomplish the numerous likes you wish for, to get the likes and comments you desire on your requested post, you will need to follow some steps that I have already set up. I will guide you through these steps later. First, you need to request the link to the designated post. This is the exact link to the post you want, okay? Go to the share section and then click on search link. Please paste the link you wish to use here. After that, you will set the emotional reactions. For example, if you want likes, loves, then please prepare the content you want me to use. For example, I will have content like this. Hello. Welcome. Hi. Pleased to meet you. I am Musk. Not Ken. I will search. Here are some of the content I have selected. If you want to add images, you can select the folder here. Here I will give you an example of a case where I do not use any images. Then I click on the select to save the script I have selected, save some of the folders, and I choose the right script, save it. Next, I will pick the funds I require. At this point, I will click Start to begin the account. You should follow along. When I start logging in, the accounts will be online. I need 6 Facebook accounts for my tasks, as you can see. At once, 6 accounts will be logged in on 6 separate tables. All actions are fully independent. The number of accounts you can use simultaneously is determined by your computer. First, please follow me on account number 1. Now, let's move on to account number 2, which will also start with the link to the article I am requesting. Here we have account number 6 and account number 5. You should watch the operations that will be managed by this software. All accounts will participate in the requested article. Initially, the accounts will begin by watching the video. For the video and ads to work first. Then the accounts will start liking. You can track your account's notifications. For instance, you can begin to express emotions or comment and notifications will appear here. Please check it out. I need 6 accounts here, right? I will remove these accounts. That's it. Please take a look at the screen. For example, the first account has already commented hello. This account has commented hi already. This account just asked, how can I use her? How much is it? Nice to meet you. Well, have a good day. Once all accounts are done, they will notify you, can't you see? It notifies me, it sends the first alert and waits, all notifications are here. Do you see? Now I will get back the link to the article for verification. I just viewed this article and now I will open the link. To show you the correct article I chose. You can see we have many feelings here again. There were 4 emotions earlier, and now I have 6 accounts totaling 10 with likes and love on some comments, you see? This is a useful tool for you. If you like it, contact me, and I will help you set it up and use it.